a classic recipe that was handed down to me. Authentic chicken curry. It costs very little to make, and the ingredients have a number of dietary and medicinal benefits. This is for 500 grams of chicken, and you can vary the ingredients. People tend to throw all kinds of stuff into a curry, but a curry powder mix is not authentic, and it's definitely not the way to go. 1 onion will give just the right amount of base. Too much will ruin the curry. Chop it up and set it aside. Who doesn't love garlic? Peel 4 cloves and finely chop. Then do the same for half an inch of ginger. Using a fresh tomato would be better, but plum peeled will do just as well. Break it up and set it aside. I'm using boneless pieces of thigh marinated in a little turmeric, garlic and chili powder. In the authentic recipe, it isn't marinated. You can use any part of the chicken, and bones will add to the flavour. Turn the stove onto high heat, slap on a pan, and throw in 2 or 3 tablespoons of canola oil. If you don't have canola oil, use olive oil. Once the oil is hot, throw in the onions. They should be sizzling. Love that smell. Give it a stir as it browns. Add the finely chopped garlic, then add the ginger. There's nothing quite like the smell of sautéed onions, garlic and ginger. It's fantastic. Toss in the chicken and give it a stir as it browns. Add the turmeric and the chili powder. You can use as little chili powder as you wish, but I like a curry with a bit of a kick. Add salt and pepper to taste. Be careful not to add too much salt. You can always add a little more later. Then add the lemon juice. I'm using bottled. Obviously, fresh ingredients would be better. Once it's mixed, add the 1 chopped tomato or 200 grams of broken up plum peel tomatoes and stir the tomatoes in. Already my mouth is watering, that smell is fantastic. You don't need tomato puree, but I find it adds to the curry. Be careful not to add too much. Stir the curry frequently as the base reduces. Once the excess water has gone, simmer on low heat until the oil comes out, about 15 minutes. Then add a little water, about half a cup for a nice juicy curry. Once it's good and mixed, pop the lid on and let the curry simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Curry done and job's a good one. Rich, aromatic and utterly delicious. In all, it took less than half an hour. Tip a couple of spoonfuls on a bed of long grain rice. To keep it authentic, use basmati. There's a reason it's called the Prince of Rice. And there we have it. Authentic chicken curry. Cheap, rich, healthy and utterly delicious. That's fantastic. Give it a go. You're gonna love it. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can upload more amazing recipes.